brightness on an aggravated battery.
How you doing? And thanks for watching. This is George here with Mom's minivan that we stole. Actually, this is a lead car for a funeral procession. So it is the one that's responsible for going ahead of the procession and clearing the intersection. That's why we've done some purple LIN-6 in the grille and on the triangle trim in front of the side view mirror. We also have our LED HAW Duo in white in a low dome with the black mounting bezel down next to the OEM fog lights. And we're also running a set of LED HAWs in the back. Here you can see how we have synchronized all of the LIN-6s together with the HAW in the front. So we have an X pattern in the front here for the forward traffic. And to assist with the intersection warning, we have the alternating of the triangle trim LIN-6 and the fog pocket HAW. This gives a nice white purple alternation, and we've synchronized the grille, as you can see, to fire the purple on each side together to give a nice good purple flash, as you can see off of the wall over there, so people are well aware that this is a funeral procession, as purple is the light here in Chicago area used to signify for funeral. In the back again, we've got a simple set of white LED hideaways in the reverse. This vehicle was also fitted with our 100-watt Undercover Siren. Here's a real good shot. Shows you that synchronization as I was talking about. The siren is to help clear the intersection and let them know what's happening. It is approved for this particular customer. So customers aware of the legality issues with sirens, and that's what they requested, so that's what they got. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you follow the links in the description of the video, as well as there should be a little blue eye on the upper right corner for information about all of these products. There'll be links to each one of these products, our LED HAW Duos, our LIN-6 in purple, as well as our Undercover Siren and 100-watt speaker, and as well as the 6-outlet mini switch that's controlling all of this. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for safety and emergency equipment.